Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about some easiest ways to make poached eggs. Poached eggs are white whale for cooks of all experience levels. Everyone's got their pet method. Stain off the excess white, add some vinegar to the water, make a water vortex, but none of these things simplifies the process. Complicated, overly fussy techniques are, to my eyes, dramatically opposed to the perfect simplicity of poached eggs. I have been poaching eggs pretty successful for a decade plus, but I'm not exaggerating when I say this method changed my life. It's fast, simple, and highly reproducible, which is just I need for my first meal of the day. Here's how to do it. Add 2ish inch of water to the skillet or saucepan with a tight fitting lid. Bring the simmer over high heat. Generally crack fridge cold eggs straight into the simmering water once at a time, or into a teacup soup container first if you like. Then put on the lid and turn off the heat. After 3 minutes, take the lid off and inspect your eggs. Large eggs will be just about done. Jumbo eggs might need another minute or two. Generally butter your toast, then fold a paper towel over on itself a few minutes. Use a slotted spoon to remove each egg from a skillet and blot off any excess water into the towel. Transfer your egg to the buttery toast or a plate. Serve with salt and pepper because hot sauce is for fried eggs. The easy breezy nature of this method should be enough to convince you to try it. First, it completely dispenses with those shitty, wispy bits of egg white that make for ugly poaches. Then sink to the bottom and fall clean off the rest of the white when you scoop out the egg. Any residual stragglers can be neatly sliced off by pressing the spoon against the side of the skillets. Secondly, cooking the egg in completely still water denatures the egg white protein generally and evenly, rather than aggressively and all at once, like you would get with a continuous simmer. This prevents the whites from fussing themselves to the side, bottom of the goddamn skillet, so cleanup is so much easier. Third, this method makes scaling a cinch. If you are hosting a big bunch and are dead set on egg benedict, just use more water and a bigger pan and plan on cracking the eggs into the pourable vessel before adding them into the water. As with all egg cookery, tweak the temperature and duration as needed to suit your tastes. I like poached eggs with a completely set white and a jammy yolk, so starting from a strong simmer works perfect. However, if you are craving a more classic poached egg situation, firm white, fully liquid yolk, bring that water all the way to a roiling boil. Crack in your egg, then cover the pan and cut the heat. They'll cook a bit faster, so check in after 2 minutes. So these were some amazing and easy ways to make poached eggs. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.